In this video lecture, I will guide you for a house planning, how to make house planning step by step in the dimensions of 50 feet by 90 feet. Guys, you can see this is ground floor plan and the second one is first floor plan. This is very important video for those people who want to build their house and they don't know the idea. So let's get started, guys. If you need house planning, structural design or 3D animation,
घर बैठे अपने घर डिजाइन करवाएं। घर, प्लाजा, बिल्डिंग, रेस्टोरेंट की डिजाइनिंग, नक्शा चार्ट और कंस्ट्रक्शन, इसके अलावा इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग, रेनोवेशन, पुराने घर को नया जैसा बनाएं।
So guys, you can see here. So if you see, we have three sides open in the ground floor. Width is 5 feet, 7 feet at the back side. This is open to sky. Wide passage 7 feet and 5 feet left side and 5 feet right side. Lawn is to the front side, guys, you can see, which is here. This is about 19 feet and the length is 33 feet. If you see, guys, here this is to the road side. Main gate, guys, you can see the size is 14 feet 00 inches. This is normal, guys, you can see gate, the small one, which is about 3.3 feet, right? So when you enter by this main entrance, so this is porch size is 22 feet by 16 feet, 22 feet length, and the width is 16 feet. This is front lawn, guys, as I discussed before. So when you enter by this main entrance, guys, you can see, so this is a lobby where you can see the stair, guys, you can see this is stair which is 3 feet and 6 inches. Opposite of this stair, guys, you can see this is a drawing room. Size is here 17 feet by 14 feet and this is its window. You can see the projection, as you can see clearly, this is projection. This is powder room. Size is 5 feet 4 inches. Next, guys, you can see this is exit door under the stair, guys, you can see to this open passage and also to the back side. Guys, you can see here this is double door to this drawing room. And next, guys, you can see when you enter by this, so this is a lounge. Size is 20 feet 9 inches by 13 feet. Width is 13 feet, length is 20 feet 9 inches. Guys, you can see this is a dining. Size is 17 feet by 13 feet, and also you can use this access to this drawing, right? This is a window, a W2 window, which is 8 feet width. Next, guys, you can see here this is a window to this TV lounge. Next, guys, you can see again we have a lobby which width is 5 feet 6 inches. So this is the first bedroom, 17 feet by 12 feet. Guys, you can see here this is its window and this is attached bath, guys, you can see, and this is the dressing area. Size is 8 feet by 5 feet. This is its ventilation. Next, guys, you can see opposite of this bedroom, guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size is 14 feet 6 inches by 10 feet and this is its window. Next, attached we have the door for this laundry and dry. The dirty kitchen. Size is 8 feet and 1.5 inches by 9 feet and 10.5 inches. Guys, you can see this is also exit door. For this we have this window. Next, guys, you can see this is the second bedroom. Size is 17 feet by 12 feet or 1.5 inches. This is a dressing room and this is a bath. Size, you can see this is the window, this is ventilation. For this we have a window for this dressing room to the back side. So, guys, here this is the third bedroom where you can see the wardrobe, and this is a bath. Size is 6 feet by 6 feet by 9 feet. This is its ventilation. This is window for this bedroom. Size is 14 feet by 15 feet. You can find the cross ventilation here in this bedroom to this open passage. At this corner, guys, you can see this is up for the first floor. Guys, you can see here this is normal steel circular stair. So, guys, these are the details. Next, if you see in this lobby, guys, you can see where we have the door 3 specially for this door near with this kitchen. If you have any extra things, so you can put it here. Size is 6 feet by 9 feet and 10 inches. So, guys, this is a ground floor. You can make a screenshot from this if you need, if you love this. So let me guide you for the first floor. Guys, you can see this is a first floor. So the design is same, the columns are on the same positions, but here, guys, you can see this is a terrace on the top of this. Guys, you can see so here this is a porch on the ground floor. So this is low terrace, guys, you can see this is a terrace here, and we have same on the TV lounge on the same place. Guys, you can see the size is also same. If you see the drawing room is on the first floor, guys, you can see here this is the circular window to this terrace, And next guys, you can see this is also entrance to this stair hall guys. You can see down to the ground floor, and you can see the projection, very luxury design you can find in this video. Next, this is the other bedroom. Same guys, you can see as we have on the ground floor that one bedroom, and also this bedroom is this one on the ground floor. The same bedroom you can find on the ground floor, and the same you can find the kitchen, the storage on the their position before we discuss this. So guys, you can see this is a balcony to this position guys. You can see on the ground floor this is balcony from the top floor you can see, and this is the projection, and this is window 2 where you can find here this one. So guys, this is a short video but very important for you people. You can also make a screenshot from this first floor if you love this planning. So hope this short video can help you. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.